and good morning. I'm Daphne and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something a bit different. I'm going to make a natural facial peeling with 3 ingredients. I don't use products that are from different companies unless they have products for very sensitive skins, because my skin is very sensitive and I get severe allergies. So I try to use products that are either natural, like I'm going to show you, or that I've tried before and they haven't caused me any allergic reactions. I usually get all red hives on my face and redness, and it's kind of not nice and itchy, and well, whoever has allergies knows what I mean. And that's why I also don't use makeup unless it's specific to uh, very sensitive very sensitive skin. Um, and I don't know how to wear makeup because I never bothered to learn because of this issue. And also another reason why I don't wear makeup is because especially under the eyes, like using eyeshadow and eyeliner and all that, while you're taking it off or putting it on, it can cause irritation, or there's a greater risk of causing what's it called, infection to my eyes. And because I have been through a lot of issues with my eyes, I don't risk it, so I don't wear makeup. And I wear very specific products. One time I will make a face routine, where I show you what I use for my face, but that's not this video. So I'll show you in just a moment. Ingredients we're going to need for our natural facial peeling. Before I show you the ingredients, I want to show you the one remaining surviving photograph of me wearing makeup. This is when I was about 17 years old at my graduation, and yeah, that's the only photograph I have of me wearing makeup. I don't know what you think about it. You can tell me in the comments if you want, but this is the only photograph we have. I don't wear makeup very often. So yeah, that's 3 ingredients. The first is 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and the other is 1 teaspoon of honey. And we're going to need lukewarm water, which is now warming up. That's what you can hear, which means lukewarm water isn't cold, but it's not boiling either. It's something in between. So I must have let it boil completely. I have to stop it in a minute, and I'll show you the process. So I put the sugar and the honey in already in order to avoid further accidents. And now I'm gonna put the water. Hold on, let me just. The reason we need sugar that's brown is because it has granules that are not so finely processed as the white sugar is, so they actually do work as a peeling component. So let me put the water. Hopefully I'm doing it correctly. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit and then I'm gonna stir it. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Has to become like a paste, which we still haven't succeeded in doing. Hopefully we'll manage it. I can't do anything. So let's just, yeah, I think I've managed. I think I put enough water. Let me just stir it up a bit. I want to see how it's a bit watery. I shouldn't put so much water. I'm gonna put my finger, sorry you guys, but I can't understand it differently. Ah, no, actually it's okay. Yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah, it doesn't need any more water. It has to be a bit like a paste, not very watery. It's okay. Fine. Okay, good. And now I'm coming back in a while to show you how I put it on my face and what I do exactly. So I'll be back in a minute. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look very nice. You can actually, I don't know if it looks, you know, maybe a bit kind of yucky, but it tastes really good. You can even eat it because it's just honey, sugar and water. But actually you put it on your face and it does a really good job at peeling. And once you put it on, you have to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes on your face because it also moisturizes your skin. It's a bit sticky, I'm telling you from now, so you have to really wash your face really well afterwards once you take it off. But I'm going to take a shower afterwards, so that's going to help me, you know, do a better job at taking it off. And I'm going to show you how how I put it on me. Now we are ready. You can see that I've put my hair up so it can make it easier as a process. Now you take your, I'm going to take it and I'm going to try and take it at it. Okay, I did. As I said, this is a sticky process, people. So you just put some here and you keep on falling off. So you have to be, I'm on the sink here so I won't get everything all sticky and stuff. And you do know the different movements, so you can make sure that your skin is being peeled. There we go. This is our forehead. It also gets in your hair, so that's why you have to put your hair up. It's a good idea to do so. Okay, there's the forehead. Now the nose is a bit of a different story. We're going to see if we're good at manage it. I'm going to close my eyes because I don't want the sugar to get into my eyes. So I'm just going to have my eyes closed for this part, just so you can know. I don't know what it looks like. People might not look very nice, but sorry. Okay. Well, we know that our nose gets a lot of icky stuff on it, so we have to make sure that it comes off. Good. And another thing is that this peeling, you can do it like once a week. You don't have to do it all the time, because you know when you peel your skin, you take all the protective oils off it as well. So it's good to do it just once a week and try not to get stuff in your eyes. Definitely, that would be a good thing to do. Yeah. Okay, trying to do it as well as I can without getting everything. Okay, I'm gonna need a bit more for the other cheek. Oh, come on. Here. Okay. Again, and I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding the camera, but you should do it with both hands. It would be a better, you'd have a better result. But because I'm trying to show you what I do. Okay. So now I'm gonna have to leave this for 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll see you. Okay, guys, I took it off before I took the video here, so that because you need both hands, you can take it off properly because it's all sticky, but it leaves your skin very nice and soft, and you feel a sense of cleanliness. And I recommend it to you. And then afterward, after you do the peeling, you can wear any moisturizing cream or day cream or anything else you use for your face. So I'm going to have in the end of the video bloopers to show you some funny scenes that that happened while I was trying to record this video. And I hope that you like this video. Press notification so you can notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Subscribe to my channel. You can share this video if you like. and I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye guys. Good morning everybody, I'm Daphne and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something a bit different. I'm going to show you a facial what's it called? Peeling. It's a natural one with only 3 ingredients. I'm going to tell you what you're going to need in a while. I decided to do something different because, as you know, my channel doesn't have a specific what was it called? So we're gonna first start with the, hold on to find the book. I'm going to first start with the sugar. Where is the, there it is, found it. So I said we need 1 teaspoon. Let me see if that's 1 teaspoon. Yeah, it's, let me see. Okay. So in it goes. And I have to make sure it's okay. Then now we have to use put the honey. Where is it? There it is. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm not sure if it's what it is. No, I think I completely failed. I'm closing it because I did a big... Okay, so this here is the final product. I don't know how you guys can actually see it. I don't know how to put this thing. I don't know. I forget it. How do you close this thing?